Roe Statement Eye, take one. Hi angels, I am Sophia Roe, and today we're talking about statement eyes. So I think that there's a lot of confusion around a statement eye. Everyone thinks it needs to be brushes and super difficult, and how do I blend? And it just feels really intimidating. Enter cream shadow. Cream shadow is a really great way to have a quick, fast statement eye, put it on, and you're kind of ready to go. Milk Makeup is my favorite brand when it comes to cream shadows because they stay put. The great way to do a cream shadow is to actually start with it on the back of your hand. We're gonna literally use our fingers. So I would go like this, and we're just gonna put the eye, just like that. Like really simple, just put it on. And you have some time to work with it. It's a cream shadow. If you wanted to kind of come out and do like a cool cat eye moment, as you see I kind of did here on the side, you can do that. Or if you want to keep it really small, maybe even if you want to do like just a little line of it, you could absolutely use a brush. As you can see, a little goes a super long way. And voila. If you mess up, because sometimes mess ups happen, Q-tip, a little bit of water, shape it a little bit. So the only thing from here, once you've got your statement eye done, you're set, ready to go, is you would put some mascara on. And just like that. Super simple, awesome statement eye.